अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम पार्क 522 सब्जेक्ट के मिड टर्म प्रिपरेशन के हवाले से इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज जो है वो कंटिन्यू करेंगे। लेसन वाइज एमसीक्यूज हैं, ये पार्ट 2 है इन एमसीक्यूज का, जिसमें हम लेक्चर नंबर 8 से लेक्चर 12 तक के जो एमसीक्यूज हैं वो कवर करेंगे। ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। लाहौर रेजोल्यूशन वाज पास्ड इन 1940। Lahore resolution was held at Lahore. Lahore resolution session was presided by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Lahore resolution was moved by A.K. Fazlul Haq. Session duration of Lahore resolution was 22 to 24 March. Muslim demand in Lahore resolution was independent states. Lahore resolution is also called Pakistan resolution. Main idea of Lahore resolution was two nation theory. Muslim League demanded autonomous sovereign states. Muslim majority provinces included Punjab, Bengal, Sindh, and NWFP. Congress reaction to Lahore resolution was a strong rejection. Lahore resolution emphasized provincial autonomy. Jinnah's speech was delivered on 23rd March. Lahore resolution demanded separate homeland. Muslim identity was based on religion and culture. British reaction to Lahore resolution was careful observation. Lahore resolution aimed at Muslim political independence. Muslims were afraid of Hindu majority dominance. Lahore resolution strengthened Muslim League. Final outcome of Lahore resolution was the creation of Pakistan idea. Crip mission was sent to India in 1942. Crip mission was led by Sir Stafford Cripps. Cripps mission promised India dominion status after war. Muslim League rejected Crip mission because no clear Pakistan promise. Quit India movement was launched in 1942. Quit India movement was led by Mahatma Gandhi. Muslim League's policy during Quit India movement was no participation. Simla Conference is also called Wavell Plan. Simla Conference was held in 1945. Main issue in Simla Conference was Muslim representation. Election of 1945-46 were held for central and provincial assemblies. Muslim League's election slogan was Pakistan. Muslim League won in 1945-46 election. Muslim reserved seats. Cabinet mission came to India in 1946. Cabinet mission was sent by Britain. Cabinet mission plan proposed group of provinces system. Direct action day was announced in 1946. Mountbatten plan is also called 3 June plan. Pakistan came into existence on 14 August 1947. First Governor General of Pakistan was Qaid Azam. Fatima Jinnah is known as Madre Millat. Fatima Jinnah was trained as dental surgeon. Fatima Jinnah participated in Lahore session in 1940. Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan studied economics. Begum Rana's founded Apwa. Apwa was founded in 1949. Begum Shaista Ikramullah earned degree of PhD. Fatima Jinnah is famous for women mobilization. Muslim Students Federation was founded in 1937. MSF was founded by Qaid Azam. MSF is Muslim Student Federation. MSF's main aim was student mobilization. Aligarh Muslim University was intellectual center. Islamia College Peshawar was important in NWFP. Fatima Sughra hoisted flag in Lahore. Women in Pakistan movement faced Parda system. Students mainly spread ideology through rallies and pamphlets. Fatima Jinnah helped mainly in political awareness. Begum Rana's role was mainly social welfare. Shaista Ikramullah worked in constitutional making. Students' role increased in election of 1945-46. Pakistan was created in 1947. One of the biggest early problems of Pakistan was refugee crisis. Approximately how many Muslims migrated to Pakistan? It's about 6 to 7 million Muslims. Refugees mainly settled in Punjab, Sindh, and Karachi. Pakistan demanded cash balance of 750 million rupees. India initially released 200 million rupees. Gandhi's fast was for payment of Pakistan's share. Redcliffe Award was announced in 1947. Redcliffe was lawyer. Gurdaspur was important because gateway to Kashmir. Calcutta port was given to India. Water dispute started after partition of Punjab. Important headworks were controlled by India. Indus Water Treaty was signed in 1960. Junagadh was ruled by a Muslim ruler. Hyderabad was annexed by India in 1948. Kashmir accession caused war in 1947-48. Ceasefire line was renamed Line of Control. Qaid-e-Azam died in 1948. Liaquat Ali Khan was assassinated in 1951. The word constitution is derived from which Latin word? It's constitutio. A constitution is merely considered the dash of a state, fundamental law of a state. According to Thomas Paine, a constitution is made by people. Which organ of government makes laws? Legislature. Which organ of government executes law? Executive. Which organ interprets law? Judiciary. Which country has one of the oldest written constitution? It's USA. The Constitution of the USA was drafted in 1787. Pakistan adopted its current constitution in 1973. Pakistan is declared an dash republic in its constitution. Islamic. A written constitution is usually codified. The Constitution of the United Kingdom is unwritten. An unwritten constitution is mainly based on customs and conventions. The main advantage of an unwritten constitution is flexibility. In the UK, the supreme legal authority is Parliament. The doctrine followed in the UK is called parliamentary supremacy. The federal constitution divides power between central and dash government. Regional. The USA is an example of a federal state. India is often described as a quasi federal federation. The United Kingdom is an example of a unitary state. The theory of separation of power was popularized by Montesquieu. In the USA, the president is both head of state and head of government. A rigid constitution is difficult to amend. Article 5 of the US Constitution deals with amendments. The first 10 amendments of the US Constitution are called Bill of Rights. Pakistan's constitution guarantees fundamental rights. In parliamentary system, the prime minister is accountable to parliament. A vote of no confidence can remove the government in a parliamentary system. Judicial review means courts can review laws and government actions. In the UK, court cannot strike down acts of parliament because of parliamentary supremacy. The introductory part of the constitution is called preamble. Pakistan's preamble emphasizes the sovereignty of Allah. The constitution provides legitimacy to the government. The constitution protects citizens from misuse of power. Separation of powers helps prevent a tyranny. The constitution remains stable even when governments change. The constitution acts as a blueprint for governance. The rule of law means everyone is subject to law. In a presidential system, the president serves as a fixed term. Pakistan follow a direct system of government, parliamentary system of government. इसके साथ ही हमारी एमसीक्यूज की वीडियो यही मुकम्मल होती है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये आपके लिए बहुत यूजफुल वीडियो रहेगी, इससे आपकी मिड टर्म की अच्छी तैयारी हो सकेगी। चैनल पे अगर आप नए हैं तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना हरगिज ना भूलिएगा, ताकि मेरी तमाम इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोस इसी तरह आप तक पहुंचती रहें। इन लेक्चर्स को, इन वीडियोस को अपने फेलो स्टूडेंट्स तक, वर्चुअल यूनिवर्सिटी के डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स तक जरूर पहुंचाएं, ताकि आपकी तरह बाकी स्टूडेंट भी अपने मिड टर्म की अच्छी प्रिपरेशन कर सके। कोई सवाल या कोई फीडबैक अगर आप देना चाहें तो कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइएगा। मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगी आपको टाइमली रिस्पॉन्स करने की। इंशाल्लाह ताला मैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ जल्द हाजिर होंगी। तब तक आप सब अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज।